Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Nujum Al-Samma. Today is our lecture number 2, which is NASA Artemis Plan is Foreword by Jim Bridenstine. Let's start. Pushing the boundaries of space exploration, science, and technology. Once again, America is on the verge of exploring more of the moon than ever before. This new era of lunar exploration is called Artemis. Named after the twin sister of Apollo, she is the goddess of the moon, and we are the Artemis generation. NASA is building a coalition of partnerships with industry, nations and academia that will help us get to the moon quickly and sustainably, together. Our work to catalyze the U.S. space economy with public-private partnerships has made it possible to accomplish more than ever before. The budget we need to achieve everything laid out in this plan represents bipartisan support from the Congress. Today, NASA is delivering more missions, more science, and more innovation at a better value for the American taxpayer than at any point in the agency's history. And with half the buying power than 1964, when Apollo development was at its peak. We thank the President, the Congress, the American taxpayers, and the emerging space industry for the combined efforts to strengthen our nation's space program. Under the Artemis program, humanity will explore regions of the moon never visited before, uniting people around the unknown, the never seen, and the once impossible. We will return to the moon robotically beginning next year, send astronauts to the surface within 4 years, and build a long-term presence on the moon by the end of the decade. I am proud to share NASA's Artemis plan. This is how we will go to the moon once again. And how we will use the moon as the stepping stone for our next greatest leap, human exploration of Mars. We are going, and we go together. Ad lunam.